Hi guys, so today we're going to be unboxing the Dune Smasher. It's a radio controlled off-road crash bar and desert racing style. So today we're going to be unboxing this car, I think. Oh, and I forgot to read this. Rubber grip tries off-road crash bar. So let's open it. Okay guys, so we took everything. It was kind of hard. We had to cut some stuff and yeah. So now we have the full thing. So this is what it looks like from out of its box. This is the front. It looks like headlights. And then it's called Cool Speed. It's like one of those big trucks, and then the tires can expand, but it looks like those. And then we have the controller, but we're still gonna put the battery on, so then it will work, and then we'll show you the final results on how it will look like if it will move. Oh God. Okay guys, it's working. We just couldn't find the other same battery, but we used a different one and it still works. I think it fits, but now it works. Because they're all the same batteries except for one. Okay guys, so soon we're gonna bring this to the park and then we're gonna do the actual results so you can see how it'll look like, and then we'll put a camera right here, and then the GoPro, whatever it's called, and then we can just, and then when we're and it even, let me show you some things. You can even put it in the desert, like a racing. It's because I think it will go through dirt. Okay guys, so that's all for today. Love and peace. Salamat sa pagtanaw. Ito sa sunod na vlog nato. Ciao!